Hi, let me ask you something. Are you finding it difficult to follow conversations in the presence of background noise? Are you someone who is listening to TV at a much higher volume? Are you finding it difficult to follow conversations over phone? Then I guess it might be time for you to get your hearing tested. Do you know that hearing loss is much more common than what you think? Millions of people across the world are suffering from some sort of hearing loss and probably are not even aware of it. Even though they are aware, they are shying away from finding the right solutions. Luckily, with today's advanced technology, many of the hearing problems can be easily detected and solutions can be provided with simple procedures. So what are you waiting for? Take your initial step. Consult your nearest Hearzap store today and get your hearing test done. Or download the Hearzap app and get a self-evaluation done within 3 minutes. Download the Hearzap now on Play Store and App Store.